Today I'm showing my Chromebook that's actually running Xubuntu. I was able to install it after, installing legacy boot firmware. So you can see Xubuntu. I used crhx to repartition the drive, and then also install Xubuntu. I used mrchromebox to install the legacy firmware, boot firmware. And so I just wanted to show the result of installing Linux Xubuntu. It runs pretty well, well enough that I actually installed a VirtualBox so I can install Windows 11 as well as Mac OS just for testing purposes, just to see if it's possible. I could have used mrchromebox's firmware utility to possibly install a custom firmware, but I didn't want to because there's some hardware changes that are necessary. Doing RW legacy is a little easier, but it's not. There's some hiccups that are involved with it. But anyways, I was happy just to install Linux over here, and you can see I'm running YouTube just fine. Now I have access to a bunch of software that I originally couldn't run because I was using Chrome OS on this Chromebook. So now the positive thing about using CHRX is that you can still use the Chromebook for Chrome OS, but you can also boot into Linux separately, which is nice. And you have access to all this applications, productive applications, file manager, office writer, and you can see it's pretty decent speed, really decent speed. So instead of being limited by the Chrome OS, which wasn't too bad because I had access to playstore and I could install apps and stuff. It was nice, but to do simple things like repartition drives or format a flash drive, some stuff wasn't easy on a Chromebook. Whereas now that I have Ubuntu, I can do anything I want. It's basically right now a regular laptop now. Now that I've unlocked it with Xubuntu. I have terminal over here so I can run bash scripts or whatever, so I can actually use this for coding or development if I want to now that I have Linux installed onto it. So I just wanted to make a short video showing I was able to install it, and the performance, short sort of performance. I don't have any games installed on here. It just has Minecraft probably or something, or that mine game. So that's pretty much it from over here. I end this recording.